When shopping for a window regulator, it's easy to be tempted by a low price. But what are you really getting to save a few bucks? So today, we're just going to take a few moments and talk about a few key points about why Dorman is and will continue to be the aftermarket leader in developing, designing, and releasing quality window regulators to the aftermarket. So quality, what does that mean? We hear about it all the time. Let's head upstairs to our state-of-the-art window regulator laboratory where we have some competitive samples to review. Let's look at this regulator for certain Nissan Pathfinder, Frontier, and Xterra models, as well as the Suzuki Equator. As you can see, our competitor does not have Dorman's exclusive OE fixed cable sheathing. Over time, this can lead to a window that jumps as it rolls up. This will cause the window to move more slowly than the factory unit. You can also hear the unpleasant grinding sound this failure causes. Next, we'll look at this regulator for some Ford Super Duty trucks and E-Series vans. As you can clearly see, our competitor's part does not even go down all the way. Not only that, but when the windows roll up, you can see the competitor's part moves at a much slower pace. Let's move on to this regulator for Chevy, GMC, and Cadillac full-size pickups and SUVs. The first thing we noticed when we test fitted the competitor's part was that it didn't even line up to the mounting points in the door. Our engineer had to drill into the door to get this window regulator to fit. Not only that, but when the window regulators start going up, you can once again see how much slower the competitor moves. Finally, let's show you the regulator for the popular Chevy Cruze. Since the beginning of Dorman's Smart Motor program, we've invested over $1 million in our smart motor technology. Here's why that's important. As you can see in our competitor's version, the interior lights remained on after the door was closed because of improper programming. This could result in a dead battery. We also measured the competitor's pinch force and found it was set too high, which could result in serious injury. This is a violation of federal motor vehicle safety standards. All of Dorman's smart motor window regulators are FMVSS compliant. Another frustration with our competitor's regulator is an unresponsive window lift switch. And once again, you can see another example of our competitor's poor window speed performance. Since our competitor's sample doesn't have Dorman's OE fix on their rubber grommet, this piece could become dislodged, resulting in glass breaking. A scary and potentially dangerous situation. So in conclusion, window regs are what we do here at Dorman. Over the last 10 years, we've invested millions of dollars into this program, and we're going to continue to do so through innovation, through development, and through new products.
KHODROiD.com. Auto parts and accessories online shop.